So number 1, the average of rabbit, adult rabbit is 30 centimeter, with the standard deviation of 4 centimeter if their length are normally distributed. So sa letter A, tinatanong dito, how many percent of adult rabbits are shorter than 20 centimeter? So bale, gagamitin natin formula ng C-score, and then yung 20 centimeter, yung 28 centimeter, which is yung the X, and then the mean is 30, and the standard deviation is 4. And then, kapag minus natin yung 28 minus 30 is equals to negative 2 divided by 4, which is yung standard deviation kinakailangan natin. Pagkatapos natin i-minus, i-divide natin siya. So, magiging ang C-score niya is negative 0.5. And then the C-score area is equal to 0.3085. Kapag change natin into percent, kapag times natin sa 100, magiging 30.85%. 30.85%. And then sa letter B, hinaharap naman dito yung percentage. Kapag sinabing exceed, it is more than. So, bale, katapos natin siya ipag-minus at i-divide sa 10 dun sa 4, ang magiging sagot 2.5. Pupunta naman tayo sa pagkatapos nakuha yung C-score ng area, under the curve, yung 1 ipag-minus natin sa 0.9938. So, bale, magiging sagot ay 0.0062. I-change natin into percentage, magiging 0.32%. Sa letter C, ang hinahanap naman dito, yung between ng random diffusion ng rabbit. So, una, i-convert muna natin yung 25 cm sa C-score equals to negative 9 divided by 4 is negative 2.25. And then the C-score area of the curve is 0.0122. And sa 35 centimeters, 35 minus 30 is 5 divided by 4 is equal to C-score equals to 1.25. So the C-score area is 0.8944. Pagkatapos natin nakuha yung area niya, ipag-minus natin siya. So, bale, una yung malaki, 0.8944 minus 0.0122. So, bale, ang sagot natin dito is 0.8822. Kapag pinalit natin sa percentage, is equal to 88.22%. At sa number 2 naman, ang tanong doon, if a coffee vendor machine is designed to discharge an average of 8 ounces with a standard deviation of 0.2 ounces. And if the amounts of coffee the machine discharge follow a normal distribution. So, sa letter A, ito yung mean natin is 8 ounces and the standard deviation is 0.2. So, sa letter A na questions, what percent of these values exceed 8.5 ounces? So, ulitin natin, huwag nang kalimutan ng formula ng C-score, which is yung C-score equals to X minus mean over standard deviation. So, 8.5 is which is the X. So, 8.5 minus 8 equals to 0.2. Minus lang natin siya. So, magiging 0.5. Divided natin siya sa 0.2, magiging 0.99. Ay, divide natin sa 0.2, bale 2.5. C-score equals to 2.5. Katapos, hanapin natin sa Z-score table, normal distribution sa positive side. So, nakuha natin doon yung 0.9938. At kapag sinabing exceed, it is more than. So, bale, ipagmaminus natin siya sa 1. So, 1 minus 9938 is equals to 0.00262. Change natin into percentage, ipag-times natin sa 100, magiging 0.62%. So, sa letter B, ay between naman po ang hinahanap dito, between. So, between of 7.6 ounces and 8.1 ounces. So, unahin natin yung 7.6. So, 7.6 minus 8 is equal to negative 0.04. I-divide natin sa standard deviation of 0.2. So, C-score is negative 2. And then the next number is 8.1 minus 8. It equals to 0.1. Divided natin sa 0.2. Magiging C-score niya is 0.5. So, yung C-score 0.5, hanapin natin yung itong hanapin natin sa C-score table, which is yung normal distribution ng negative tsaka sa positive. So, dito naman sa negative is 0.0228. And then, the positive naman is 0.6915. So, ipag-minus natin sila sa isa't isa, ang makukuha natin is 0.6687. Change natin into percentage, magiging 66.87%. Sa letter C, if a customer buys a cup of coffee, what is the probability that is less than 7.7 ounces? Kapag sinabing less than, it is below. So bale, kapag less than daw, hindi na natin gagamitin yung 1 na minus kasi less than daw po. Ang gagamitin na natin kapag yung 1, kapag above, exceed, more than, mga ganito. So, C-score 7.7 minus 8 equals to 0.2, which is the standard deviation, and this is the formula. And then, ipag-minus natin, magiging negative 0.3. Negative 0.3, i-divide natin sa 0.2, which is the total of the C-score area, the C-score is equals to negative 1.5. And then, hanapin natin sa C-score table ng negative normal distribution, which is 0.668. I-times natin sa 100, magiging 6.68%. Yun lang po. Thank you.